Hi everyone, welcome to FinTechnology. Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code with Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you click on create a design. Then you search for logo. After that, you scroll down until you find apps. Click on it and write QR. You need a simple one. So let's choose this. I will enter the URL of our YouTube channel and paste it here, and we'll click to generate code. And that's how the QR code is generated. We can resize it to be bigger, and that's it. You just download it so you could use it and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you liked this video and found it helpful.